Welcome to my workshop. Today, I'm excited to take you behind the scenes as I carve a wooden masterpiece inspired by one of the greatest woodworkers of our time, Sam Maloof. Sam Maloof was not just a master craftsman, he was a visionary. His innovative designs and dedication to craftsmanship inspired countless artisans, including myself. He taught us that woodworking is an art form that celebrates both beauty and function. Selecting the wood. Every great piece starts with the right wood. Today, I've chosen this exquisite piece of walnut, a wood that Sam often favored for its rich color and natural beauty. Each piece of wood holds untapped potential, just waiting to be revealed. Planning the design. Before I begin carving, I always sketch my design. This stage allows me to channel Sam's principles of organic forms and fluid lines. I strive to create a piece that is not only functional but also a work of art, the carving process. Now for the exciting part, carving. With each stroke of my chisel, I recall Sam's philosophy. The wood will tell you what it wants to be. It's about listening closely, respecting the material, and allowing it to guide my hands. Embracing challenges. Challenges are a part of the process. Sometimes, the wood presents unexpected knots or tricky grains. In these moments, I remember Sam's resilience and adaptability, using these challenges as opportunities to enhance the design. Adding the finishing touches. As I refine the piece, I think about Sam's dedication to detail. Sanding smooths the surface, revealing the wood's natural beauty. It's in these finishing touches that the piece truly comes alive, echoing Sam's legacy of excellence. The final reveal. And here it is, my wooden masterpiece, a tribute to Sam Maloof's influence. This piece embodies creativity, patience, and the timeless beauty of craftsmanship. It's more than just an object. It's a reflection of a journey inspired by a true master. Certainly, here's a detailed exploration of specific carving techniques inspired by Sam Maloof. 1. Organic shaping. Technique. Maloof was known for his organic, flowing forms that mimic natural shapes. This technique involves creating curves and contours that feel natural and ergonomic. Application. Start with rough cuts to define the overall shape. Use a bandsaw or jigsaw to create initial curves, then refine them with hand tools. Pay attention to how the piece feels in your hands. Aim for comfort and aesthetics. 2. Sculptural carving. Technique. Maloof often incorporated sculptural elements into his furniture, infusing pieces with a sense of artistry. Application. Use chisels and gouges to add dimensional details, such as curves and ridges. Consider how light interacts with the surface. Carve in a way that creates shadows and highlights. Experiment with different angles to achieve a three-dimensional effect. 3. Joinery techniques. Technique. Maloof's furniture is renowned for its strong, elegant joinery, often using mortise and tenon joints. Application. For a strong connection, create precise mortises and tenons that fit snugly. Use a chisel to refine the edges and ensure a tight fit. Consider decorative elements in your joints, like rounded edges or chamfers, to enhance beauty. 4. Finishing techniques. Technique. Maloof's finishing techniques were crucial to his signature look, often using a combination of oils and wax. Application. Sand the surface smoothly, progressing through different grits to achieve a flawless finish. Apply a mixture of tung oil and varnish for a rich, durable finish that enhances the wood's natural grain. Buff with wax to add a soft sheen and protect the surface. 5. Textural contrast. Technique. Maloof often used contrasting textures to create visual interest and depth. Application. Combine smooth surfaces with carved textures, such as grooves or inlays, to add complexity. Use a rotary tool or carving knife to create patterns that draw the eye. Experiment with different finishes on textured versus smooth areas to enhance the contrast. 6. Proportional balance. Technique. Maloof paid close attention to proportions, ensuring that each element of his designs felt balanced and harmonious. Application. Use a scale or template to maintain consistent proportions throughout your piece. Step back frequently to assess the overall balance of the design. Adjust elements as needed to achieve visual harmony, where no part feels out of place. 7. Emphasis on functionality. Technique. Maloof believed that every piece should not only be beautiful, but also functional. Application. As you carve, consider the intended use of the piece. Ensure that all edges are comfortable and that it serves its purpose well. Design features that enhance usability, such as rounded edges or ergonomic shapes. Test the piece in use to ensure it meets both aesthetic and functional criteria. By incorporating these techniques into your carving process, you can honor Sam Maloof's legacy while also developing your own unique style. Each technique reflects a philosophy of blending artistry with functionality, and they can elevate your woodworking project significantly. Thank you for joining me on this behind-the-scenes journey. I hope it inspires you to explore your own creative path and find role models like Sam Maloof along the way. Remember, every masterpiece starts with an idea and the courage to pursue it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts below.